Visualize looking down at your ankles and seeing puffiness, feeling tightness in your legs, or noticing that your rings feel snug on your fingers. Perhaps your joints feel swollen and tender after activity, or even after a long period of sitting. This persistent swelling, particularly in your legs and joints, is more than just uncomfortable. It can be a sign of underlying fluid retention or inflammation, limiting your mobility and causing discomfort. You might attribute it to standing too long, eating too much salt, or just something that happens as you get older, perhaps trying elevation or compression with limited success. But what if this swelling and the underlying issues that contribute to it are profoundly linked to the health of your connective tissues, the collagen, matrix that supports your skin, blood vessels, cartilage, and joints? And what if providing your body with the specific building blocks for this matrix through certain foods could help reduce swelling and support tissue health? How can strategic food choices rich in collagen's components directly help reduce swelling and support the integrity of your legs and joints? What if I told you that by the end of this script, you will understand the connection between collagen, swelling, and joint health, and discover exactly 8 powerful and accessible foods that are packed with the specific nutrients your body needs to build and support its collagen matrix, helping to reduce swelling, improve the resilience of your legs and joints, and promote overall comfort and mobility? Remain with me as you read these sentences. Did you realize that the integrity and health of the vast network of connective tissues in your body, particularly around your legs and joints, rely heavily on collagen, and that providing the necessary nutritional support for collagen synthesis can help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and minimize swelling? It's not your imagination that swelling can become a more frequent or persistent issue as you age, especially in your legs and joints. Swelling, edema, can be caused by various factors, including poor circulation, inflammation, and weakened connective tissues that are less able to support fluid balance and provide structural integrity. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, forming the framework for skin, blood vessels, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and bones, all crucial components of healthy legs and joints. As you age, natural collagen production declines, and existing collagen can become damaged or less resilient, potentially impacting blood vessel integrity, affecting circulation, weakening joint structures, and contributing to inflammatory responses, all of which can manifest as increased swelling and discomfort. Often, the nutritional support needed to maintain this vital collagen matrix is overlooked, and a lack of the specific building blocks doesn't cause acute illness but subtly undermines tissue health, contributing to chronic issues like swelling and joint pain. This subtle nutritional gap and its impact on connective tissue health, often overlooked when focusing only on symptoms, is quietly contributing to your discomfort and limiting your physical freedom. Have you ever felt frustrated by persistent swelling in your legs or around your joints, noticed a lack of tissue firmness, or wondered if there was a way to support your body's underlying structure naturally to reduce these issues? This isn't just typical aging discomfort. It points to the health of your collagen matrix and how well you are providing the essential nutritional components it needs to stay strong and functional. Doctors might mention circulation or inflammation, but the targeted role of specific foods in providing the precursors and cofactors for collagen synthesis and how this impacts swelling and joint health is not always highlighted. Yet, understanding and consistently incorporating foods rich in these collagen-supporting nutrients holds a key to fighting the silent erosion of connective tissue health and finding natural relief from swelling and joint discomfort that affect millions as they get older. The critical importance of collagen synthesis and the health of the connective tissue matrix in supporting circulation, reducing inflammation, and maintaining joint integrity, particularly to manage swelling and pain in aging legs and joints, is now a significant area of research. Unlike issues that require immediate medical intervention, the subtle decline in collagen production and the impact of inflammation on connective tissue often function in the background. There are no blaring sirens signaling that your body is lacking the amino acids or vitamins needed to build resilient collagen fibers. This gradual weakening of the connective tissue network, compounded by inflammation, gradually undermines your body's ability to manage fluid balance, support blood vessels, and maintain healthy joints until the evidence becomes undeniable: persistent swelling in legs and ankles, joint puffiness and tenderness, reduced tissue firmness, and increased discomfort. A startling truth revealed by numerous studies from leading research institutions focusing on nutrition, tissue health, and aging. Even if you manage underlying medical conditions, if your diet doesn't provide sufficient amounts of the specific amino acids and vitamins needed for collagen synthesis and to combat inflammation, the health of your connective tissues in your legs and joints may become compromised, contributing to swelling and pain. The worst thing isn't even that this occurs. It's that many people don't realize how powerfully simple everyday foods, packed with the building blocks and cofactors for collagen and anti-inflammatory agents, can directly support the structures that help reduce swelling and discomfort. This process of silent nutritional insufficiency impacting connective tissue health can begin decades earlier for many, often in their 40s or 50s, but its consequences like persistent swelling and joint issues become significantly more pronounced and bothersome after 65. This one click could make all the difference. If you or someone you care about is experiencing swelling in their legs or joints, discomfort, or is concerned about the health of their connective tissues as they age, and wants to discover powerful, natural, dietary ways to find relief and support tissue health, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Before we proceed with this life-altering information about the 8 collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints to help reduce swelling and soothe pain naturally. Every week we offer important health insights, like this one that could significantly raise your standard of living, daily comfort, and ability to move freely with less swelling and discomfort. Our upcoming video might be just what you or a loved one needs to hear to support their body's connective tissue from within, so don't miss it. Are you prepared to discover the food powerhouses for collagen, reduce swelling and healthier joints? Get ready. And I want to know whether you's with me if you's now watching. If this video resonates with you, if you felt that swelling, joint discomfort, or wished for stronger tissues, let me know. Where you typically experience swelling or joint discomfort most by typing it in the comments below. The uplifting discovery, managing swelling and supporting the health of your legs and joints, can be significantly influenced by providing your body with the right nutritional building blocks and support systems for its collagen matrix. There is immense hope for reducing swelling, soothing joint discomfort, and improving the resilience of your connective tissues by strategically choosing foods rich in the components needed for collagen synthesis, and those that combat inflammation. The notion that age-related tissue decline and swelling are just how it goes is being challenged by recent discoveries, highlighting the profound impact of specific amino acids, vitamins, and minerals on collagen production and integrity, as well as inflammation. According to numerous studies, consistently consuming foods rich in the key precursors, like glycine, proline, and lysine, and cofactors, like vitamin C, zinc, and copper, needed for collagen synthesis, alongside anti-inflammatory compounds, can significantly support connective tissue health, potentially improve circulation, and reduce inflammation, leading to less swelling and joint discomfort. Researchers have found that certain foods are particularly potent because they either provide the direct building blocks or the essential helpers needed for your body to produce and maintain healthy collagen, or they help fight the inflammation that damages existing collagen and contributes to swelling. Researchers today understand that while aging presents challenges, the resilience, function, and comfort of your legs and joints can be dramatically influenced by easy-to-implement methods centered around consuming foods that nourish your collagen matrix and calm inflammatory responses. What if I told you that by focusing on incorporating just 8 types of common, accessible foods into your diet, you can provide your body with the crucial components it needs to build and support its collagen, helping to reduce swelling, soothe joint pain, and improve the health of your legs and joints naturally? When it comes to supporting connective tissue health, reducing swelling, and relieving joint discomfort, strategically choosing foods rich in collagen-supporting nutrients is a foundational and highly impactful strategy. Let's dive into the 8 collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints. While consuming collagen directly, like in bone broth or supplements, can provide some amino acid building blocks, your body ultimately makes its own collagen using specific amino acids, primarily glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, with lysine also being important, and requires helper nutrients, cofactors like vitamin C, zinc, and copper for the synthesis process to occur effectively. Therefore, focusing on foods that provide these building blocks and cofactors is key to supporting your body's natural collagen production and the health of your legs and joints. which in turn helps reduce swelling and discomfort. Here are 8 foods packed with the nutrients your body needs to build and support. Collagen for healthier legs and joints, helping combat swelling and pain. Number 1. Bone broth. While not a direct source of human collagen, bone broth, made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue, is rich in the amino acids glycine and proline, 2 of the primary building blocks your body uses to make its own collagen. It also contains other compounds found in connective tissue like glucosamine and chondroitin. Consuming bone broth provides your body with a supply of these key precursors. How to eat it. Sip on bone broth as a warm beverage. Use it as a base for soups, stews, or sauces. Choose high-quality, preferably organic varieties. Number 2. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits. These vibrant fruits are absolute powerhouses of vitamin C, a critical cofactor absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is required for the enzymes that stabilize the collagen helix structure. Without sufficient vitamin C, your body cannot effectively produce stable collagen, impacting the strength and integrity of connective tissues. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant, helping to reduce inflammation that can damage collagen and contribute to swelling. How to eat them. Include citrus fruits in your daily diet. Enjoy a whole orange, add lemon or lime juice to water, salads, or meals. Consistently getting enough vitamin C supports your body's ability to build healthy collagen. Number 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Like citrus fruits, berries are rich in vitamin C and also packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and ellagic acid that help protect existing collagen from damage by free radicals and reduce inflammation. Inflammation can break down collagen and contribute to swelling and joint pain. The antioxidants in berries help create a less inflammatory environment, supporting collagen's resilience and overall tissue health in your legs and joints. How to eat them. Add fresh or frozen berries to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, salads, or enjoy them as a snack daily. Number 4. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, providing a variety of nutrients that support collagen health. They are good sources of vitamin C, antioxidants, and vitamin K, which supports bone health, crucial for joints. Importantly, many leafy greens contain chlorophyll, a pigment that some research suggests may play a role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, processes that negatively impact collagen and contribute to swelling and joint pain. How to eat them. Include leafy greens daily. Add spinach to omelets or smoothies, saute kale, or use mixed greens as a salad base. Number 5. Eggs, specifically the whites. Egg whites are particularly rich in the amino acids glycine and proline, 2 of the main building blocks needed for collagen synthesis. While the yolk contains other valuable nutrients, the white provides a concentrated source of these crucial precursors. Including eggs in your diet helps ensure your body has access to the amino acids it needs to construct collagen, fibers in your legs and joints. How to eat them. Include whole eggs or egg whites in your meals regularly, scrambled, boiled, or as part of other dishes. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas. These plant-based powerhouses provide a good source of protein, including some of the amino acids needed for collagen synthesis. They are also rich in copper and zinc, 2 trace minerals that are essential cofactors for collagen synthesis. Copper helps form strong collagen fibers by enabling cross-linking, while zinc is necessary for the enzyme that synthesizes collagen. Legumes are also anti-inflammatory due to their fiber and antioxidant content. How to eat them. Incorporate beans and lentils into soups, stews, salads, or dips, like hummus, several times a week. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds. Many nuts and seeds, particularly pumpkin seeds, are good sources of zinc, a crucial cofactor for collagen production. Walnuts and almonds also provide healthy fats and antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protecting existing collagen. They also contain some protein and amino acids. How to eat them. Enjoy a small handful of mixed nuts or seeds daily as a snack, or sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Number 8. Garlic. This flavorful allium contains sulfur, a mineral essential for collagen synthesis and joint health. As discussed in a previous script on minerals for joint pain, sulfur is needed for the structure and flexibility of cartilage and connective tissue. Garlic also contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce joint discomfort and the inflammation that contributes to swelling. How to eat it. Use fresh garlic. generously in your cooking daily for maximum benefits. These 8 foods provide a powerful combination of amino acid building blocks, glycine, proline, lysine, and essential cofactors, vitamin C, zinc, copper, sulfur. Your body needs to produce and maintain healthy collagen, alongside potent anti-inflammatory compounds that protect existing collagen and help reduce swelling and joint pain. Consistently including these foods in your diet provides your body with the necessary nutritional support to strengthen connective tissues in your legs and joints, improve fluid balance, and calm inflammatory responses, leading to less swelling and greater comfort. While collagen supplements are popular, focusing on these whole food sources provides a broader spectrum of nutrients that work synergistically to support overall tissue health. Your freedom from persistent swelling and joint discomfort and the resilience of your legs and joints tomorrow are profoundly influenced by whether you provide your body with the essential nutritional support for its collagen matrix today. Just accepting swelling and pain or relying solely on external remedies isn't addressing the underlying issue of connective tissue health and inflammation. Prioritizing foods rich in the building blocks and cofactors for collagen synthesis and anti-inflammatory compounds such as bone broth, citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, eggs, beans, legumes, nuts, seeds, and garlic is a powerful strategy to support your legs and joints from within. Consistently incorporating these 8 foods into your diet can significantly improve connective tissue health, reduce inflammation, minimize swelling, and lessen joint pain, unlike just hoping for improvement. Keep in mind that while these foods are foundational, they work synergistically with other aspects of a healthy diet, hydration, and appropriate physical activity. Your comfort and resilience will improve over time as you consistently prioritize these key foods. Don't wait until swelling becomes debilitating, until joint pain severely limits your activities, or when simple movements feel constantly hindered by discomfort. With these insights into the 8 collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints to help reduce swelling and soothe pain naturally, focusing on providing your body with the crucial building blocks and supportive nutrients for its collagen matrix and fighting inflammation through these nutrient-dense foods, you can begin actively supporting your connective tissue health and finding relief right now. The startling reality is that incorporating these common, accessible, and effective foods into your daily diet may dramatically improve the health of your legs and joints, reduce swelling, enhance your comfort, and support your overall physical capability for decades to come. Far more than relying on chance or accepting decline, you literally hold the power, through choosing these specific foods, to support your body's collagen, reduce swelling, and improve your quality of life. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately. If you thought this information was helpful and provided clear, actionable guidance on using food to support collagen and reduce swelling and joint pain, we are always looking at the newest developments in nutrition, connective tissue health, longevity, and vibrant aging. 3 easy morning routines that can prolong your life are revealed in our upcoming video. You should not miss it. Show this video to a loved one who may be experiencing persistent swelling in their legs or joints, discomfort, or is looking for natural ways to support their connective tissue health. Their life might be changed by your simple act of sharing this powerful information. Of these 8 collagen-rich foods, which 2 will you make a point to include in your diet more often this week to support your legs and joints? Share your choices in the comments below.